What's up guys, Leonardo here and we're back with another GoPro review video. My previous video has blown out of proportion and I want to truly thank you for all the support and all the positive feedback from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't seen it yet, you can check the pop-up appearing here or click the first link in the description. There's something that both you and I noticed in that video. The audio sucks. And I'm specifically talking about the external mic of the media mod, which is supposed to sound way better than the internal mic, and instead it sounds like an intercom. GoPro 11 with the microphone. I think this is a much clearer audio, but you will have to let me know. Some people pointed out that I might have been using the wrong settings or that in general I was doing something wrong. So I decided to test it out in even more scenarios. And these are the results. Of course, I didn't apply any sort of audio correction in post-production, so what you will hear in the following clips is exactly the audio that was recorded. We begin with an indoors environment. Right now we're testing the GoPro Hero 11 Black with its built-in microphone inside this quiet room. Now we attach the media mod to the GoPro Hero 11 Black, so right now we're testing the external microphone of the media mod. Again, we're testing the GoPro Hero 11 Black with the media mod that came in the Creator Edition, but this time we added the anti-wind tool, which is the foam, over the microphone. We are right now in a closed, quite loud environment. This is a laundry and we have a washing machine behind me and the TV next to me. Right now we're testing the GoPro Hero 11 Black with the built-in microphone. Same laundry, same washing machine, same TV, but right now we're testing the microphone of the media mod of the Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. Third part of the test, same laundry, same TV, but right now we have the foam covering the microphone, so the anti-wind tool is on. We are right now outdoors in a quiet environment. We are in the middle of a park and there are just a few cars down the road. Right now we're testing the built-in microphone of the GoPro Hero 11 Black. We are in the same environment, but right now we're testing the GoPro Hero 11 Black with the media mod on. Right now we're testing the GoPro Hero 11 with the media mod, also with the foam covering the microphone. I truly cannot believe that the media mod sounds so badly. So now I'm wondering, is it maybe that my media mod is broken? And there's only one way to find out, so I'm returning it to GoPro and receiving a new one, then testing it again. Let's go and ship this bad boy. We just got a replacement piece back, so now it's time to try it out. Are you excited to test it out again? Again, we begin our test in the quiet room, starting from the internal microphone of the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Now we attached the new media mod. I made sure that the GoPro is taking all the sound only from the front microphone, so this is the first part of the test with the new media mod inside the quiet room. We are now attaching the anti-wind foam on the media mod. And now we are testing the external microphone of the media mod with anti-wind foam covering it inside this quiet room. Since the laundry is closed today, I've set up a similar environment inside my room. There's a speaker playing washing machine sounds behind me, and I have a video of random people chatting in front of me. And this is the test for the internal mic of the GoPro Hero 11. Same fake loud environment, but right now I have attached the media mod to the GoPro. So right now we're testing the external microphone of the GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. Last part of this super noisy indoors test. Right now we're testing the GoPro Hero 11 with the media mod and the foam covering the microphone, so we have the anti-wind tool. We're back in the middle of the park for the quiet outdoors test. There's just some noises from somebody playing tennis in the nearby field. This is the GoPro Hero 11 Black internal microphone. I have now enabled the front microphone of the Media Mod, so right now we're testing the GoPro Hero 11 Creator Edition Media Mod. Final part of the quiet outdoors test. Right now I have attached the foam on the external microphone of the Media Mod, so right now we're testing the GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition with the anti-wind tool on. And as a bonus, we are back at the infamous fountain for a loud outdoors test. As always, we're starting with the internal microphone of the GoPro Hero 11 Black. We have now enabled the front microphone of the Media Mod, so right now we're testing the GoPro Hero 11 Black external microphone at the infamous loud fountain. Last but not least, we finished testing the external microphone of the GoPro Hero 11 Black Creator Edition Media Mod with the anti-wind foam cover. I feel like that right now we have a very clear result. My previous Media Mod was broken or at least somehow defective. The audio now is much clearer, much crisper. It's better than without it. It's not robotic, it doesn't feel like an intercom anymore. However, I don't want to say that it's a perfect product. I feel like I expected a little bit more. I expected a little bit more clarity. I felt like there's still a lot of noise that it's being catched by the external microphone of the Media Mod. But I didn't know beforehand, and this is why I feel like so many people are finding this review very useful. And that's it. Now you can form your own opinion. Is it worth buying now, or would you stick to the internal microphone of the GoPro? Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this and so much more. See you next time.